Technology has the potential to improve the quality of our lives. Keeping track of something as basic as the entrances to your property should be easy. With Securmate, it finally is. Simple yet scalable, Securmate talks to a variety of home automation products, so it can turn on the lights, adjust the thermostat, or make a hot cup of coffee when you wake up, all triggered from the opening or closing of any door with a Securmate sensor on it. Securmate is a wireless entrance sensor that communicates with the cloud directly using an existing Wi-Fi network, without any hubs, wires, or mess. Securmate is portable with a long battery life and can be easily reattached with removable tapes. Just stick the sensor to a door, window, or any other property you want to track. After a one-time setup, Securmate is ready to go. You can see how your entrances change state or set an alarm, so you can go on with your day without any worries. When Securmate senses the opening of an entrance, it communicates this event to the cloud and can connect to other products to sound a loud siren or to blink your exterior light, so your neighbors can check on you. Securmate will also send a notification to you and a group of your trusted contacts. So whether you just want to have the peace of mind that your family and property are safe, or you're looking to simplify your life through technology, Securmate now allows you the option to do that simply and securely.